Alright, let's talk Initial D, the anime that made Eurobeat a religion and tofu-delivery a legit motorsport. Picture this, a kid hauling bean curd down a mountain pass at ludicrous speed. The hero car? Takumi's Toyota AE86, a humble Corolla with pop-up headlights and barely 130 horsepower, but on the downhill, it's a drifting god. Then you've got the rivals, Keisuke's yellow RX-7 FD, a sleek beast powered by a spinning Dorito, a fragile rotary engine. His brainy older brother, Ryosuke, drives the white RX-7 FC, the white Comet of Akagi, a race car with a PhD. But then, stomp stomp, the Nissan Skyline R32 appears. They call it Godzilla for a reason, an all-wheel drive monster that just devours the road. We also have the Sylvia S13, drifted and synced by two girls, Itsuki's tragic AE85, the sad trombone of Corollas, and Bunta's Subaru WRX, the ultimate scary dad flex. These weren't just machines, they were characters. Initial D took these cars and turned them into absolute legends.